Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for Drumcarro on Windygates Road in Leven. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom semi-detached period property. It is in a really great central location. You have your own private driveway, plenty of character throughout and amazing outdoor space. Now I'm going to show you the gardens of this property and then I'm going to meet you inside to show you. The price point of this property and all that you get is really incredible. So let me turn the camera and show you the outdoor space. So this is the front of your property. You have a really good sized front garden. You have your own private drive, as I say, so you're just off the main road. And then this is what greets you. You would get so many of your family and friends' cars on this driveway. And then this is your approach up to the property. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful period property. Plenty of character that you'll see as we go throughout. And this is your property. What I'm going to do is I'm going to meet you inside and take you on the tour. So welcome into the property. Now straight away we walk into our really good sized hallway. You have plenty of space within here, and as I said, there's plenty of character and detail throughout, which I will point out to you as we go. Now we're going to start by going through into here and then upstairs. Now this is one of many storage cupboards. The storage within this property is amazing. So you have room for literally everything. Now this is almost like another kind of hallway landing kind of area coming off of the stairs. Now just to give you an idea of size. Now the great thing about this is you have obviously your coat hooks and the storage there. So what you could do is do a little seating area here, and this can be where you first come in the front door and you come in here, take off your shoes and boots, keep it in that cupboard, and you can also shut that door and almost keep it off so you're keeping it out of your main entrance hallway. So this is a really good space, especially for you and your family. Now we come upstairs. Now just here we have a window letting in loads of natural light. Now we go up to this area. So this is the master of the property. Now you'll see as we go up the light that runs through this, and I love how they've done it that you can have your sleeping area up here, but you also have a nice seating area to just relax and wind down for the day. So you'll see the space throughout this room. Now you have 4 Velux windows that's letting in loads of natural light. Now these are 2 really generous sized cupboards, almost like a second room down the corner there. Now you have another family bathroom, one of 2. I will show you in just a second, and that is a walk-in wardrobe. And that is another storage cupboard. So this is into your family bathroom. Again, another Velux window for you, so plenty of light. It's a really good sized bathroom. And then just to give you an idea, this is your master. There's so much floor space for you to obviously lay this out and have it exactly how you like. But as I say, I love how they've got the little seating area just there, so you can just unwind at the end of the day, or even start your day there with a coffee. I'll just show you it from the other angle. So that's the storage. So this is your upstairs master space. Now we'll go back downstairs. So again, you will see the space in this kind of landing hall area down here, just to give you an idea. Or alternatively, this could be a kind of study, home office area as well. You know, it's got plenty of potential. So we're now into the main hallway again. Now we're going to start in your formal living room. So into here. Lovely detail on the ceiling. And that is a gorgeous mantelpiece with a gas fireplace. You've got your alcove there that's been fitted so that you can have kind of your decorations and knickknacks. It's a really, really good size formal living room space. Beautiful big bay window as well, which looks over the front garden that we were just standing in. So isn't that just lovely? It's a lovely sunny day as well. But that is your front view. So just sitting here on an evening relaxing, and then come the winter when you have your fire on. So let's go back out into the hallway. Now, another storage cupboard. You are not lost for storage in this property, that is for sure. Now, this is your second bathroom. Now, this is a shower room. So again, a really good size. So a good sized shower room. Then just next door to that is your second bedroom. So we'll go in here. It's a good big double bed and you still have plenty of floor space. It's a nice little peaceful, tranquil view to wake up to. So this is your second bedroom. So there's, you know, big furniture in here, lots of bedroom furniture, and you still have a lot of floor space and your double bed. So this would be a great second bedroom, guest bedroom, or for your, you know, family. Now, the great thing you maybe have noticed about this as well, with there being a downstairs bathroom and that additional room there, is you do have one level living. If you're planning and thinking ahead to the future, you do have one level living. Now we come into the formal dining room, just to give you a size of the space in here. Again, a lovely big window letting in natural light. Another storage cupboard in the corner just there. Another beautiful mantelpiece with an electric fire this time. And again, just so you can see, the detail on the ceiling and the character is beautiful. So this is your formal dining, and it's just off the kitchen, so it's a really good family socialising space. It's lovely. Then we go into your kitchen. This is a really good sized kitchen with plenty of potential. Plenty of workspace and cupboards also. As you can see, you have space for all your appliances. And I'll just show you it from the other side. So a great kitchen. Then we'll just go out into the back garden. As I said, it's a lovely day here today. So we step into your back garden. So you have a hut, a summer house. So I'll just show you the property from the back. So it does go all the way back. And this is your property. It's a good kind of low maintenance, easy keep garden. And then we come along here and I will show you the double garage. So then you have your double garage at the top of the drive here. So even more space for more cars, for any visitors and guests you might have, and a double garage. And then I'll just show you your drive just down the side of the building just there. So you can get all the way up into the back of your property if you wish. So it's a really good size for outdoor space. So that is the property tour for Drumcarro on Windygates Road. As you've just seen, it is a beautiful property with plenty of character and space. It's in a great location on Windygates Road in Leven. Just a couple of minutes drive or even a walk and you are at the seafront. You are just minutes from the retail park with plenty of local amenities. You also have the bus station with local bus routes and of course the up and coming train link in Leven. You are in a good location to Silverburn Park as well, and then beyond that you can connect with St Andrews. Going the other way you can be in Glenrothes and Kirkcaldy, so it is a brilliant location. Plenty of space within the property, as you've seen, and it is just on the market for offers over 220,000. So it's a brilliant price point, all the original character that you get with this. So if this property appeals to you, then please either message me directly here, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774, and that's Sophie at Fife Properties TV. Take care.